Today we are going to be talking about how to get rich. The whiteboard's out, lesson is in progress. For some reason nowadays people think clout is money. That is truly not the case. I'm assuming I'm talking to my people, so a lot of people that watch me on Instagram, maybe not over YouTube, are Asian, they're from Hong Kong, and they're really trying to build wealth from the way up. But now I'm gonna give you the complete A to Z blueprint this day and age and how to make money. Here's the thing. Asia is one of the most interesting places on earth to build money. So if you have a Hong Kong ID card, bro, that's W's in the chat already because of the tax implications. A lot of people that are from the UK that are making money, so we're not talking about the 9-to-5 level jobs, we're talking about people that are truly printing money. They are relocating to Asia. They're relocating either to Hong Kong, Dubai, because of the tax implications. But let's break it down to exactly what the right path looks like. We've got the infographic show, so make your notes and lock in how to actually get rich. And there's no shortcuts, there's no BS to this, okay? 99% of entrepreneurs actually end up never making it. What they do is they idolize a dream in their head, and it starts off when they're young, 16 to 18. They're really thinking about getting rich, but most of them never do. And it's not because they're lazy, it's not because they're stupid, it's because they skip steps, okay? They skip the grind and they want results now. Look at the 99% path. Someone has a dream, they want financial freedom, and then they want out of their 9-to-5 job. So they jump straight into making quick money. So they see the YouTube ads, Facebook ads, like drop shipping. This will make you rich, but they don't understand margins, okay? Some drop shippers do get rich, but if you're new and fresh into it, there's a lot of things that you don't understand. Crypto. I bought this crypto stock. Like I go on Instagram, and on Instagram you have to get attention, right? So you have to flex, and then the people that watch it, they're like, oh, this guy Jeffrey, he's making millions of, not millions, okay, like he's making hundreds of pounds or thousands of pounds every day, day trading, right? And they want it quick. But guys, I'm 29 years old. I've been trading for 10 years now, and I've had 7 years of unprofitability until I nailed down the strategy, learned, and now in the situation that we are in now. No matter what route you go down, e-commerce, trading, okay, content creation, UGC marketing, AI, OFM now, right? They skip the foundation every single time, and they're just looking for quick results, and then they burn out every single time and then give up. Now look at the 1% path, the dream of getting rich. They invest into their time and they build their skills, and 6 to 18 months of real learning, and then maybe they generate their first income, whether it's trading, sales, or services. And then once they have locked that down, they then invest and scale. The 1% path, they have the same dream. They instead of jumping to the money straight away, they invest first into their time and skills. They learn something properly, they build the proof, and then they start earning, and then they scale. Only thing separating these two paths is patience and sequence. Write this down, the 5-stage path to real wealth. There's 5 stages. Stage 1 is probably where you guys are at now. You're watching YouTube videos, trying to learn a skill for free, just to, dip your toes in. You need to give this at least 6 to 18 months of serious focus. Most people quit after a month or two when it's not working, and that's your edge, okay? Commitment, focus, and just don't stop. Stage 2 is actually learning your high value skills. Now there's a lot of high value skills that you can learn. Obviously we're in a trading YouTube channel, so we're going to be talking about trading, but there are other high value skills that doesn't require an upfront investment to make money. I'll briefly go through that into the next slide. You need to pick one high value skill, go deep with it. You don't pick 5 skills, because then you are spreading yourself up too thinly and you can't really lock in on one and be an expert in one. So be an expert in one field. Yeah, you only need 1 skill to make your first M. Stage 3 is your first money. You use that skill to generate income, whether it's clients, through high ticket sales, whatever the model is, okay? Even like your job, like what I did. I was at Amazon warehouse. I was at the warehouse and that made me my first money. And then I used that income into a skill to generate more income. And that is the proof of concept. It tells you the system works. If you have £0 in your bank, okay, and you think that trading, you're going to make money trading with £0, that is not what's going to happen. You need to sell your skill, whether that is selling, just getting a job, copywriting, a media agency, to stack your first bit of dough. Then you can reinvest into the market, and then you are at stage 3. Stage 4, you're stacking, but you're not spending everything. So the first 100K I made, you think I was out here buying nice cars and a Rolex? I was not doing that. You stack, you're building a pool of capital so that you can then invest that capital into the markets, into the assets, and into things that makes you money in your sleep, which is why in our Blueprint Academy, in our course, we day trade to stack the money. This is our cash flow. This is where we make money quickly, but it's a higher risk. So that's why I always like to call it my lunch money. But then that money, we then invest it into our swing trade portfolio, which we deploy the capital into. I don't trade the Asian markets, but some of you guys do. Hong Kong people do. I'm in the USA markets, and we swing trade that, and we just keep compounding our money into those positions until it goes up. So then when we're sleeping, we're making money. And that's what they mean by invest and compounding, okay? We don't do the S&P 500. I know a lot of millionaires say, if you just deposited £500 into the S&P 500, in 15, 20 years or 30 years, you'll have £1 million. Guys, we don't want to be 50 years old with £1 million, okay? We want £1 million in our 20s so that we can drive and enjoy life and have the rest of our life to spend time with our kids and not keep trading our time for money. But that is the goal, okay? These are the 5-stage path to real wealth. Not no BS wealth, quick money that you're seeing on YouTube, actual facts. And now we're going on to the actual high value skills to master first, okay? I have quite a high value network of friends around me. We're all entrepreneurs, so I know people in each different category, okay? So obviously I'm in the trading and technical analysis category. Roughly you make about 5 to 50 G's a month, depending on how much money you actually have. So if you have 100K, you could be making 5K a month. If you have an M, you're making X amount, right? So trading, technical analysis, this is one that ties everything together, and we'll come back to why in a later slide. But if you learn to read the markets, if you learn to read candles, if you not understand what you're looking for to be entering positions and execute, then you can make money from the markets, and it's very straightforward, okay? I'm teaching a lot of people in my Blueprint Academy. They're priced in the right sector and everyone's happy. Trading is something that is very difficult to learn by yourself, even just watching YouTube videos. I make YouTube videos and I try out for as much free value as I possibly can. But when you actually have a mentor, and that's a different game. Been there and done that in the markets. So, because we know what we're looking for, and instead of just going around and round circles, trying and trying, they already have a proven blueprint to follow and perfect. And that's why that mentoring is an upfront cost. However, it saves you a lot of time in the long run, especially in this niche. Okay, second is copywriting. You're writing words that make people buy. This is the highest ROI skill for someone starting with zero, because all you need is a laptop. You don't need no inventory, no overheads, just blah, blah, just typing, okay? Anyone can do that. I'm not an expert in that, so I'm going to skip through that. Short form content, I do know though. So I do YouTube, I do Instagram, and I pay some of my clippers to clip short form content and post it on my Instagram. I have a finance account, YouTube Shorts, and you can either get paid on performance, so when your views get, or you get paid per, like, you upload three times a day, and then you can have multiple clients and scale that way. Now, AI and automation, this is a big thing right now. People are creating AI influencers, making money. Study that. That's a new up and coming thing. You need a little bit of investment because you need tokens to make your AI influencers, but there's other AI things you can do. It's not just influencing. Then we have e-commerce, where, like I said, drop shipping, creating a personal brand and selling a product, okay? High ticket closing, property and real estate, and digital marketing, paid ads, okay? These are the top 8 high value skills I recommend you to go down. If you have no money, then look at the other options other than trading. If you have a bit of savings, then trading and technical analysis is your best bet, because your capital is your advantage and you can use your capital to save your time, okay? These other jobs, you are swapping your time for money, but then you get the pull and you put it into the trading and then you'll still print. So moral of the story is you need both. Always. Wealth, you need both. You need cash flow, which is active income that keeps you alive and funding you while you build, and you need investment, so capital deployed into compound your wealth while you sleep. So cash flow is the active engine. It's the money coming in from your skill, your sales, your service, your content. It pays your bills and it keeps you in the game. It allows you to grow your investment. Your investment is the passive engine. The mistake most people make is they chase one and ignore the other. I know everybody's dream is like, I want to be a trader full time, and people do that, but you have to day trade and swing trade. You can't just pick. You can't just swing trade and you can't just day trade, because if you just day trade, where is that money going? Okay, you can keep growing and risking it, but a lot of people will blow their account. So you have to take your profits and funnel it into the investments. Some people only focus on the cash flow, and they're always working, never building wealth. That's the 9 to 5. That's when they're stuck in the rat race. They're just swapping their time for money. And when they get older, it's okay in your 20s. But once you have a child and your child's like, can you pick me up from school? And you're like, oh, you're at work. You never see your child grow. That is the problem that you will have. And 2, some people only focus on investing, but they never build the cash flow to fund it. So they're stressed and undercapitalized. So you need both running at the same time. Cash flow funds your life. It seeds your investment. Investment multiplies beyond what cash flow alone could ever do, and that is the system. And overall, trading ties it all together. Now here's why I keep coming back to trading, because this is the skill that connects all of it. This is the skill that's changed my life. And when you learn to read charts and markets, you're learning to read trends. And the same analytical brain that finds a good trade setup, it finds product opportunities in your businesses too. So risk management in trading, position sizing, stop losses, and knowing your risk to reward ratio is the exact same mindset that you need to run a business. So whether you go into the e-commerce to build your first bit of money, you need to know all of these. So you don't overexpose yourself, you protect yourself on the downside, you protect your profits. Because in those businesses, I've had an e-commerce business before as well, okay? And I still have parts in a product business. People think turnover is everything. It's not. It's actually your net profit that counts, okay? So you can't keep chucking stuff at a wall and hoping, and you should only take the high probability plays. So same goes with trading. Pick your plays. Don't just keep trading. And here's the practical point. The moment you have 10 to 50,000 Hong Kong dollars saved up, you should be deploying it, because even small positions compound over 5 to 10 years in the Asian markets or UK markets or the USA markets. Hong Kong actually specifically is the best position in Asia to trade from. So if you are from Hong Kong, make sure you make an account there, because there's no capital gains tax. There's none. Whereas in UK, you have to pay tax on profits unless it's in a ISA. So that's a massive advantage that people in Hong Kong have, is the tax implications. And that's the beautiful thing about trading. A $10,000 account and a $1 million account use exactly the same skills. The return scales up and your time doesn't scale up. So there's no ceiling. Once you've learned the skill, you make more money as your capital grows. And the loop is, you earn from your skill, you deploy into markets, let it compound and repeat. So here's the whole thing summed up. Skill up, cash flow, invest, repeat until you're free. Pick one skill, master it. Use that skill to generate income. Research products that solve real problems and build that into capital. You then deploy that capital into the markets through trading, and then you repeat the cycle every month, every year, with more capital, with more skills, with compounding results. There's no secret, there's no shortcuts, okay? With the skills that we've talked about, this is actually the path to real wealth, and it's more clear right now than it's ever been. You've got AI, you've got ChatGPT, you've got social media. Before, how hard was it to find a mentor? It was very, very hard to find a mentor. You'd have to know someone. Now you have me, you have other creators on YouTube posting to document our journey, to share the world. So if you guys wanted to join my Blueprint Academy, there's a waiting list down below. Click on jeffreychungtrading.com if you want to apply. We've got, I think, 30 people in there now. Everyone's printing, everyone's doing very, very well and learning a skill, and we've created a close-knit community. So guys, lock in, and good luck with creating wealth, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.